In this quick video, I'll show you how to stop apps opening on startup, Windows 11 or 10 PC. If you found this video helpful, then please consider subscribing my channel and also like this video. So it doesn't matter whether you are using Windows 10 or 11 because the process is exactly same. So for that, all we need to do is go over taskbar, right click on it and then click on task manager, or you can also right click on your start menu and then also go to task manager from here. Now all we need to do is click on startup apps. If you don't find this option here, then make sure to click on these three lines, then you will be able to see this option. Once you are here, you will see all the applications which are running on your startup. You can see here. You can also get their status from here. If the application status says enable, then it means that this application opens on your startup, so make sure to disable it. And if any application says disabled, which means that your application is not opening on your startup. Suppose I want to stop my Microsoft Edge from startup. As you can see, it is enabled right now. I just need to click on it, then click on disable icon which is on top. In some cases it might be on bottom, but in my case it is on top. I just need to tap on it. There you go, I have successfully disabled or stopped Microsoft Edge from opening on startup. Now it's your time to repay me. For that you can just subscribe my channel. I would really appreciate it. For now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.